Isaac Newton was born on January 4th, 1643, in the village of Woolsthorpe, located in Lincolnshire, England. He was born into a farming family, and his father, also named Isaac, died before his birth. Newton was born prematurely and was so weak that his mother was worried that he would not even make it through the first day of life. At the age of 3, his mother married a priest named Barnabas Smith and moved into his house. Barnabas, unwilling to have a stepson, rejected Newton, and he was raised by his maternal grandparents. This separation from his mother had a deep impact on Newton and contributed to the formation of his isolated personality. Newton received his primary education at local schools before attending King's School in Grantham at the age of 12. At first, his academic performance was not so outstanding, but gradually his interest in science and mathematics became apparent. During this time, he stayed with a local pharmacist and was introduced to the world of chemistry. In 1661, Newton entered Cambridge University and studied at Trinity College. During this period, Europe was facing an outbreak of plague and universities were closed. Newton returned to his hometown and studied and researched during his isolation. During this time, he developed fundamental concepts such as calculus, laws of motion, and gravity. In 1687, Newton published his famous book, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, which included the 3 laws of motion and the law of general gravitation. This work established the foundations of classical mechanics and had a profound impact on physics. In addition to physics and mathematics, Newton also carried out important activities in the field of optics. He showed that white light is composed of different colors and created a revolution in astronomy by building the first reflecting telescope. During his lifetime, Newton became the president of the Royal Society of England, and in 1696 he was appointed as the director of the Royal Mint. In this role, he made important reforms in the monetary system of England. Despite his outstanding scientific achievements, Newton had a complex personality. He never married and had limited social relationships. Newton was also interested in religious studies and alchemy and left many writings in these fields. Finally, Isaac Newton died in London on March 31st, 1727, at the age of 84. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, where is the grave of the greats of the history of England. Today, Newton is recognized as one of the greatest scientists in history, and his laws and theories are still the foundation of many scientific concepts. His legacy in science has inspired many generations of scientists and researchers.